Hey guys, welcome to this Tech channel, guys. So guys, we are bidding for a lot of Google AdWords ads or kind of business promotion. Everything will be going to good. Suppose I can targeting for mobile users. Like you can, a lot of people nowadays using mobile phones. In this mobile phone, how we can targeting the mobile users? Before, so what are the content I can post in YouTube channel? You can always comment me, you can chat with me, or you can follow my blog also. If you are first time watching, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment me any kind of question. If you require any language, I'll upload Telugu in English. Now, previous I'm uploading all videos in English. Now we can planning to upload by the video will be Telugu also. So now here, what are the concept we design for this mobile user purpose? What kind of ad will be designed for the particular Google AdWords? In the AdWords, select the new campaign. If you're targeting for mobile users, especially mobile users, like sale purpose, lead generation, website traffic, there are complete for 7 goals are there. The 3 goals will be supporting for discovery ad. If your website, discover support, leads, discover support, sale, discover support. Suppose I can promote your business, website traffic, go to discover ad. So in this discover ad, total we can showing for discovery and to particular YouTube and Gmail. They are totally placing the ad will be 3 places. Create the campaign and confirmation. Only 2 steps. A confirmation time, your campaign name, selecting location, which state, which country you can promote, enter the specific any areas. Based on budget will be select and the audience you can select. Now this I am target only for Hyderabad. Okay, now my focus only for Hyderabad. When I'm selecting Hyderabad, how many impressions? This will be 370 million impressions are there. After that, how many language? I can promoting for all languages. I can promoting for all language. 380 million plus 10 million since last update. So what is the purpose? It is a completely for conversion. That mean by complete for conversion purpose. That mean by your website traffic. After this one, what is your daily budget? I'm selecting for 1500 my daily budget. Suppose I go with the 1500, the reach will be here. Clicks will be 2300 to 9200 clicks. Conversion. They can't show the properly. Conversion will be here. Suppose I'm clicking here. No conversion. So that is not give any action budget. So budget is done. Add group. Here, any custom audience you have, you can select by the any custom audience. Audience name, people with any this interest or purchase intentions. People who search for any these terms on Google. So I'm not focusing this option. I'll go with the demographic. Demographic I can target up to age 44 years. Remain all will be same. Okay. Next, add. Add creation time, discovery cursor ad, discover ad, existing in the discover ad. So now, so what I'm give them my point, I can target for mobile users. If you go to desktop, they only accepting for Gmail, YouTube can't, discovery can't. Only target by the mobile user, all properties, YouTube, Gmail, and discovery. There are totally 3 areas they target by the mobile users. In a desktop, they only target by the Gmail. Gmail will be both are comfortable. Here I can promoting YouTube channel link, website link, anything will be accept. Email logo. Heading will be 5 headlines. Description will be 5. Long description will be 25 characters. That is your business name. And finally, you can launch your ad group option. It is a totally 270 million plus impressions The clicks will be 2000 to 8.4K clicks will be happening. In this, how many conversion they can't give guarantee. Why? We are focusing about the website traffic, not for the conversion. If you're looking for leads, simple change your goals and change your option. Suppose one question is there. So I'm selecting goal. It is going to discover as fine, good. Suppose I'm not selecting this all kind of goals. Then we can goal option will be called discovery select. Same policy, same option, same budget, same group, custom audience, reach, and add also. And we'll be selecting here same desktop, Gmail, YouTube, can't, discovery can't, mobile. So when you're selecting goal, that is goal is compass important. What is the purpose of the goal? Are you looking for lead purpose or website traffic, or you can looking for the sales? The three will be here. When selecting sale time, your Google AdWords don't linking for Google merchant also, they will be create the campaign. No need to worry. When you coming to the shopping app, compulsory linking with the Google merchant account, compulsory important. That only suitable for the e-commerce websites. So that is called when selecting sales time, discovery easily possible for the mobile targeting users. Clear the campaign, properly image and option, give the proper headline 5, description 5, long description for your business name 25 characters, and create the campaign. With the 2 steps will be finish your option. First, campaign structure, select your audience, your budget, everything. After that, we will be start the process will be add the text and image, video. What are the option will be given? We can start it. Now target discovery only for mobile user purpose. Get more sales with the visually reach, personalized ads that show across the YouTube, Gmail, Discord, and more. When sale, lead selection time, generate lead with the visually reach, personalized ads show across YouTube, Gmail, Discover, and more. But they target by the mobile users. On discovery, what desktop only supporting for Gmail ad. When open Gmail, the ad will show that is the option. So clear guys, if you target any Google AdWords, particular mobile users, go with option will be discover ad. Any particular question or any kind of query, you can ask me to my channel and definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe channel and ask me question anywhere to my YouTube comment or my through email also. I always support you. So clear guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.